welcome back to my channel. These are my natural nails. We're going to prep them for the Gel-X application, and today you must have read from the title, we are doing my birthday nails. I was so confused that what I want for my nails to look like, because I am going to be wearing 2 or 3 different uh, dresses, so I wanted it to match everything. So I thought I would instead do glass nails. So if you're someone who just wants to know how you can achieve the glass nails look at home, all you need is 3 products for that. So you can follow me around, watch the entire video and know how I did these nails, and I'll catch up with you once later, once I'm done with the nail prep. Anyways, also that right now I'm doing nail prep. As you can see, I have not pushed back my cuticles because they are already prepped and good to go, since I already create content, so they are always done. I don't have to push them every time. It's once in a while when I'm creating content that I do nail prep. Otherwise, currently it's not needed, because I have been creating video back and forth that I don't feel that I need it. As you can see, they are quite done. They're just a little bit overgrown, but I cannot cut them because there are chances that I might cut myself, so I don't want to nick myself, so I'm going to leave them there. And yeah, I will be doing both my nails. I will be doing my right hand as well, and you always see me doing my left hand. So let's do it. Right hand, I do need to push back my cuticles. Okay. Since I've pushed back the cuticle, I'm going to make sure I'm going to remove all the dead skin around the cuticle. Removing the dead skin around the cuticle is very important if you want your nails to last. It ensures retention. And we will be using our trusted soft gel nail tips. I'm usually the same size, so I'll quickly size them up. Again, when you're sizing them up, ensure that they fit you from sidewall to sidewall. This ensures that they will stick on your nails perfectly. If they are too small, then they'll come right off. For example, if I take this one, if I stick this one, it is not really fitting me sidewall to sidewall. As you can see, there is gap, so it will lift off. So it should be a perfect fit. If it is bigger than your natural nail, it is completely fine. You can always, for example, if I take this one, if it is bigger, right, I can file it down and make it fit my natural nail. So you can do that as well. Here are the nail tips all sized down. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to file the nail tips from around the cuticle area. I don't want to file them once I put them on, because especially not for the left hand, because my nails have gotten thinner, because I earlier used to who would go and do the entire soak off. I used to do it sometimes, but sometimes honestly we do get lazy as well, even though we know how to do it. So I just used to rip them off, and now my nails have gotten very thinner. For the left hand, I don't do my right hand nails a lot, so they are fine. They are quite sturdy and strong. But for my left hand, they have gotten really weak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file the cuticle area. Okay. So the nail tips are all filed around the cuticle area. Why I do this is to blend the nail tip with the natural nail. As you can see, it is quite thinner around the cuticle area. This usually we get when we put them on and then we file it. I like to go in before I put them on. After this is done, I am going to wipe my nails using acetone. So this is the acetone. I'm using lint free wipes. I would highly recommend it. They are really good. So I'm just going to wipe my nails to remove any dust that might have, you know, stuck on it when I was filing them. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to be using a dehydrator. It does say primer, but it's actually a dehydrator and it's not a primer. So I'm going to dehydrate all of my nails. And this is how your nail should look once you dehydrate your nails. This actually shows that you have prepped your nails nicely. This is very important if you are going for retention. Now I'm going in with the primer. I'll zoom you guys in a bit. Yeah, so this is the primer that I use. You just have to apply very little. You don't have to drench your nails in it. So I'm going to do my left hand off camera and I'll show you how I do my right hands, since I've never shown doing my right hand on this channel. So here we go. the design, I wanted to do red glass nails, which were very trendy last year and last to last year, that is in 2023 and 2024. Sorry, in 2024 and the beginning of 2025. And I was too very crazy about it, but I did not want it to invest in more nail products. I already have tons of it. But I decided to do this for my birthday, and I did buy new products for this. So, yeah, so as for the inspiration picture, I'll pop them right here. The base needs to be black in color, so I'm using the Shills black UV gel color. It's I think it's actually quite old bottle that I had. It was, I guess, one of the early purchases that I made when I started doing my nails. So I don't like this product. The polish actually chips if I apply it more, like a bit thicker, in thicker consistency. So I like to go in like in thinner layers. So I apply very thin layer. I This is my first layer that I applied, and then I again went in with like the second layer to give it that black opaqueness to the nails. And it's not like that I apply in very thicker consistency. I applied it generally like how I apply other nail polishes, but this one just chips. I mean, what can we do? And then after curing the black nail polish, I went in with the cat eye. This is again from Shills, and it's quite good. I think they have improved their formula. But anyways, I did not use ever like cat eye in early stages when I started doing my nails, so I cannot comment on how the formula was earlier, but this is quite good. I went in with a silver polish as my cat eye, and I applied it over my black gel polish, which was cured, and I did like a swirly design. I wanted a swirly effect from the right hand side, only for the right hand nails, and I cured them after each cat eye effect. I ensured that I cured it so that I don't magnetize the magnetic particles again with the magnet. After doing all of my nails, I applied this canny uh, jelly UV color that I got it online. This was the purchase that I made along with another gel polish, which was useless, totally useless. I thought I would use that for my birthday nails, but I did not because I hated it. Yeah, I got this one, and this is HEMA free, which I'm very very happy about. The It definitely looks a bit orangey, but after a second layer of it, it did look red. It was the perfect red that I wanted to. It looked exactly the same as it was shown in the picture. When I went in with the first layer, it was not giving what it was supposed to give. It was giving orange tint, which I hated it, and this product is expensive. And I was like, dude, I hope I have not wasted my money, not my product. Oh my god, yeah. So after I went in with the second coat, I was like, yeah, it is now turning out the way I want it to be. It is giving what it needs to give and what I want it to give. So I went in with the second layer, and I cured it in my UV LED lamp. By the way, my birthday was on 12th of December, and today is 21st of December, and my nails are still on. I did change the design, and I went in with the polka dot. I hope you have seen the shots, and if not, I'll link it above. And I hope you would love the end result, because I loved it, and I wore it with like a blue dress, and it looked very pretty. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.